Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to get new app users on Temu in 2025. Temu is one of the hottest shopping apps out there, and with the digital world evolving rapidly, attracting new users is key to staying ahead. By 2025, expect trends like AI personalization and social media dominance to shape user acquisition. So let's break it down step by step to help you boost your app's growth. First off, start with App Store optimization. Make your app's title, description, and keywords SEO-friendly to rank higher on platforms like Google Play and the App Store. This alone can drive organic traffic without breaking the bank. Next, leverage social media like TikTok and Instagram. Collaborate with influencers who resonate with your audience. Think fun unboxings or live shopping sessions. These partnerships can explode your visibility and bring in authentic users. Don't overlook paid advertising. In 2025, AI-powered ads on Meta or Google will be game changers. Target users based on their shopping habits, demographics, and interests to ensure your ads reach the right people at the right time. Another winner is referral programs. Reward existing users with discounts or freebies for inviting friends. This turns your current base into a powerful marketing army, creating a viral loop of new signups. Finally, focus on user engagement and retention. Create compelling in-app content, like personalized recommendations or interactive challenges, to keep users coming back and sharing with others. Remember, retaining users often leads to more organic growth through word of mouth. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well positioned for success in 2025. Track your results with analytics tools to refine your approach and maximize ROI. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tips on app growth. Let's crush those user numbers together.